Carlos, I'm Juan. Today I attend the test is at Sanyo VRF two-way condensing unit. The complaint is error for the aircon blinking and not working. I found the error code is E24. Actually, E24 will happen at a multi-outdoor unit. This is a multi-outdoor unit, 3 condensing unit. E24 we need to check incoming power supply and PCB incoming power supply.
Video.
This is a outdoor unit.
One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. E24, the error code is E24. Okay, outdoor unit address, outdoor unit address 1. This is a main. Number of outdoor unit, total 3 unit. 1 and 2 up is 3 unit. Total indoor unit is 9 unit. Total indoor unit. For Sanyo VRF or Panasonic VRF, we can use a wire remote control to check outdoor unit to get the error code. Okay, CN077RC, that's a remote control connection. Okay, error code E24. Okay, main CU sub 1. Okay, outdoor unit address S007 number 2 up. This is sub 1, CU sub 1 This is CU sub 2. Okay. Outdoor unit address 1, 2 up is number 3. Sub 2 we see.
This multi-outdoor unit. This is a brand Sanyo VRF multi-outdoor unit. The N is main CU sub 1 and sub 2. The error code is E24. I found the sub 2, CU sub 2, no power supply. PCB no power supply. Now I need to check incoming and PCB incoming.
Okay, now we need to check the incoming AC current. Live 1, live 2. 0 voltage. Live 1, live 3. Live 1, live 3. 0 voltage. Live 2, live 3. 0 voltage. Okay, we need to check the isolator. See whether the incoming any problem. Oh no, the isolator inside got water. Got water inside isolator. This is the isolator. I need to check the voltage incoming. Live 1, live 2. No voltage. Live 1, live 3. Live 1, live 3. No voltage. Okay. Live 2, live 3. No voltage.
Oh, sắp mình chẳng phải à?
Okay, power is coming. Aircon start running. Okay, main PCB got two power light. This PCB power light. This is main. Okay, sub unit only the power light 1. The other light is off. Sub unit only PCB power light. Okay. This case we found is a incoming power supply problem. The isolator inside got moisture. The isolator internal moisture. The power supply short circuit. Now you on back the power supply. The aircon is working normal. Okay, 开机了。Rồi.